Today I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So we are going to use conditional formatting here within Google Sheets. And the thing is with Google Sheets is you can pretty much do anything within your sheet. So I'm going to select this cell over here and I'm going to right click. And here you will see many options, but if you scroll all the way down, you'll see view more cell actions. And if you go in here, you'll see conditional formatting. So conditional formatting essentially is a set of rules that this cell will operate by. So for example, we are going to set the rules. So let's say for the format, we are going to format the cell if, and it's going to be done automatically depending on what type of data you are going to put in the cell. So let's say, for example, the text is exactly, and now you have to add the value over here. So let's just say text. And what's going to happen is we are going to choose the formatting style. So we are going to make this red, perhaps. We can also change the text color. And there are some other options. Now you can also add additional rules. So you can set up multiple rules for one single cell. So let's click on done. And the word is text that needs to go inside there. All right, so let's close this. And inside the cell, we are going to type in text. You'll see now that whatever rules I've applied, it is applied it to the cell. What if I type in like that? It's not going to do it because it is not exactly TEXT. Now, of course, you can add in different color ranges for different numbers, perhaps, different names. And this essentially is a setup of rules per cell or column range.